1.2 miles, take exit 101A to merge onto I-71 North toward Cleveland.
What's going on, family? It's your man, Matt DV. I am in Columbus this time, still here in Columbus, Ohio, in the Buckeye State. And we are going to our second spot to eat. And we are in a mall called Easton, E-A-S-T-O-N. And they have a lot of different stores here, man. There's a lot of different sites that always coincides with the holiday. So right now the kids are inside Piadas. We're gonna go in here. It's an Italian like fast food spot. We're gonna go and see what they got, man. So I'll meet you inside. Matter of fact, I won't meet you inside. I'm gonna take you inside. All right, y'all, we going inside Piadas. Check it out, see what they got. Let's check it out. It's Italian street food. Nice and toasty in here, man. Nice and warm. It's cold outside. Let's check it out. See Zach and Zoe holding it down right there. They already holding, huh? You're not getting it? You getting something, Zoe? Zoe's getting something. Zach is not. He wants sushi. Yeah, let's see what they got here. Marinara, spaghetti, penne, pasta, homemade. I think I'm gonna get the marinara. I'm gonna get the marinara with chicken. I'm gonna get the marinara with chicken. The marinara. What do you guys get?
We both got calamari bowls.
Pasta bowls. Pasta bowls.
Okay.
Meatballs.
Meatballs.
And they're huge.
Have you had the marinara before?
No. Well, the sauce, I've had it. It's
Yeah.
good. Yeah.
Okay.
The sauce is good.
So, but you get
I
calamari.
got calamari with pesto sauce. I don't know what
Yeah.
sauce.
You've had that before?
Yes.
That sounds good.
I love it.
Calamari with pesto sauce. Okay.
And it's fried calamari.
Fry. Okay.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Yeah.
You know what you're getting?
I might get that.
Yeah, I'll get the, what's that, Romano cheese? I'll take the Parmesan. Smash. That's it, y'all. Zach, come sit with us. Here we go, y'all. We got our food. We're gonna sit over here by the long table. All right, y'all, we're gonna go over here and sit down, get our eat on. Got the bag here. We at Piadas. We are in Ohio, the Buckeye State, Columbus, Ohio. It looks really good. Here it is. I got the penne with the marinara sauce. I got some cheese on it, some spinach. I got some sweet and hot peppers and some cucumbers. And that's the calamari right there. Zach's not eating here, but he's eating our food now. Like, what is going on with that? Yo, you better watch it, boy. Zoe's eating her food. Have you tasted it yet? Well, that's the veggies. The veggies look fresh. Do they taste fresh? Okay.
But it is good.
I got my Pellegrino rosa. Let's check it out. Let's see how it tastes, man. All right, I'm gonna just dig deep into it, man. Nice and steamy. I want to get some of that marinara, some of that pesto sauce, some of that penne pasta. Thumbnail. That's a great mixture of flavors, man. And I love cheese, and they got that cheese on the top of it. I'm glad I put some pesto sauce on here too. Because I guess everyone was in there choosing one sauce.
Yeah, I should have got a sauce.
I thought it was Shake Shack. Shake Shack, it says 0.2 miles.
But it's not too spicy. The pizza under there.
This is really good, y'all. Wow, this is gonna really fill me up. I just ate a little for breakfast. I mean, I'm kinda hungry, but this is really tasty, man. All of these different flavors in your mouth is delicious. You want some, Zach? Too many veggies?
That don't look good to me.
I thought it was the Monero tastes like.
The Monero. The marinara.
When they say 7 different vegetables,
Come on, just grab it right there where you were. Just keep your fork, press it down. There you go. Zoe wanted to taste mine. Remember, those of you guys that do not have kids, once you have kids, they're gonna wanna eat your food, man. They wanna be in your refrigerator, just keep opening it, looking over and over again.
Unless you put your own.
You want some more calamari? Oh, these are peppers, right? They got peppers with their calamari.
you just touching it when I'm chicken.
Oh, yeah. Those are really good. Have you had calamari yet? Zoe concurs. She concurs with me. Why are you laughing? What are they, jalapenos? Jalapeno peppers. They don't taste really, really, really hot like I like them, but they are a little spicy. I don't know what type of pepper that is. That looks like a cayenne pepper. That was a little spicy. Look how thick that calamari is, man. That looks like a worm. Have a lot there. This is a small. They offer a small and a large. We got the calamari. Zoe got 2 meats on hers. So you got the chicken, and we ordered the calamari. So they just gave us double calamari in this bowl. You guys see what I got. It all came to like 22 bucks. It was like $22? $22. If you're ever in Columbus, Ohio, this is a good spot to come check out with the family. Piadas here in Easton. I call it Easton Plaza, Easton Mall. You're missing out, man. I'm telling Zach he's missing out. He said he's not. How would he know?
The smell of it.
He said just the smell of it. Would it smell too fresh?
I don't miss it. Cucumbers.
You like the salt? Oh, you don't like the cucumbers?
And then I know it's not my style, but you gotta separate the protein from the actual food.
Well, you didn't have to. I just asked her earlier. See, my meat is in here. My
Her meat is in her bowl.
I know protein for it.
But you like the calamari? Yeah? So you could have got a side of calamari. You could eat as much, well, I can't speak for Zoe, but you can eat as much as you want, except these pieces I'm taking out.
Asparagus is probably the best vegetable.
So do you like asparagus?
It's my favorite vegetable.
I hate asparagus. And Brussels sprouts.
I like those.
This your man, Matt DV. Just wanted to come here to Piadas. Check it out. It's delicious here up in Easton once again. We're gonna move on to the next one, man. Nobody told you they love you today. You hang with the wrong people. I love you, cats. I want to thank all of my subscribers, all of our subscribers for Always stay in tune and tuning in when we go live. We'll see you at the next one. Peace. Zach, you didn't throw up a piece. Peace. These kids better start listening, man. But you can't outstare me. Now he's gonna start laughing at you. I told you, he cannot laugh. You know what's funny? I wasn't even recording. So he had to call somebody. He had to call. Back in the day, we used to actually put the thing on our ears. That's how the phone booths look in Argentina too. I think Argentina, they look that way. All right, to the Shake Shack. All right, y'all, we are on our way into the Shake Shack. And as you know, we actually just had some Piada. But Zach has a different desire. So we're gonna go in. I don't know if we're gonna cover him fully. As soon as we get in, you're probably gonna hear music.